Hey cloud engineers, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm diving into the AWS Virtual Private Cloud or VPC to help you build your cloud network like a pro. Let's get started. First up, what's a VPC? Think of it as a logically isolated section of the AWS cloud. It's like your own private space where you can launch AWS resources in a virtual network that you define. Cool, right? Now, let's talk about the IP address range. In a VPC, you can specify an IP address range using a classless interdomain routing or CIDR block. This range is then divided into subnets, which brings us to our next point. Subnets. These are segmented sections of your VPC's IP address range. You can have multiple subnets, and they can be either public with direct internet access or private without direct internet access. To connect your VPC to the internet, you'll need an internet gateway. This is a horizontally scaled, redundant, and highly available component that lets instances in your VPC communicate with the internet. For secure connections between your VPC and your on-premises network or a remote site, you'll use a virtual private gateway. Think of it as a bridge that establishes a VPN connection. Of course, security is crucial. That's where security groups come in. These are virtual firewalls that control inbound and outbound traffic to and from instances within your VPC. You can think of them as the bouncers at the club. Only the right traffic gets in and out. Complementing security groups are network ACLs or access control lists. These are an optional layer of security that acts as a firewall for controlling traffic in and out of one or more subnets. Think of them as an extra security checkpoint. Route tables are next. They contain a set of rules or routes that determine where network traffic from your VPC is directed. It's like a GPS for your data. And if you need to connect resources in different VPCs, VPC peering is the way to go. This allows networking connections between two VPCs, letting resources communicate as if they were in the same network. Lastly, VPCs are designed to be highly available. They can span multiple availability zones, providing fault tolerance and high availability for resources launched within the VPC. And there you have it. The essentials of AWS VPC explained. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your cloud network, understanding these components will set you up for success. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more cloud engineering tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.